All right, kiddos, here we are again, and we're looking at MakerCase today. So that's how we can make cool little boxes with the laser cutter. So let's jump right in here. We're just going to work our way down the list, and we're going to be creating this little box here. So I can kind of show you what's looking like right there. If you want to work in millimeters, you can switch it over there to millimeters, or if you want to work in inches, we can do that there. All right, so this is obviously sizing the box the way you want. If we're just trying it out for the first time, let's keep it pretty small so that we're not using up a whole ton of wood here, maybe like all 2 inches or something like that. So this is kind of up to you. Like we have this little one here, and you can play around with these numbers. But this is really important. If you're trying to fit something in here, right now it's on the outside. So if I was to measure this box right now, from the outside edge to the other outside edge, right? That's what it's actually measuring right now on the default mode. But if you want something to fit right inside there, like maybe I want this marker to fit right inside my box, and I measured this marker and I know how big it is, I'm going to want to say the inside measurement. So that makes you can kind of tell there, it makes my box slightly bigger because it's what's inside the box, what's going to fit inside there, that is going to be what the measurements are coming from. So if you're sizing it, important dimension there to think about. Material thickness, we've been using our calipers to measure the material. So let's be accurate with this one. There's some default ones in there, but we can do a custom thickness and enter your number here. So measure, measure, measure. Use that custom thickness there. Open or closed. So closed means it has a lid on the box. If you want to open top box, we can do that too. Click that right there. Next, you'll notice that we have flat, finger. Most of the time we're going to go with finger. Then there's these funny ones here. Let's not do those for now. All right. And then finally, going back to finger here. This is the finger size, so you can change and play with this a little bit and see what it looks like over there. You can make them smaller, bigger. If you make them too small, sometimes they kind of break or do weird things. Sometimes you'll also notice the software is not perfect at certain sizes. It does weird things like this too. So play around with it and make it look good. I might like that for now. That looks good. And then we're oop, I just changed it, didn't I? No, I didn't. All right. Download right there. Looks good, right? That's what all our pieces are going to look like. If it's got a little corner on it like that, that'll be fine. It's not going to hurt anything on that. And let's make them combined. You'll notice that just brings everything a little closer together. So we're going to waste just a tiny bit less material. Might fit in there a little easier. These other things you shouldn't have to worry about. I'm going to say download SVG. And boom, you get your SVG file like you've been dealing with coming out of Tinkercad or out of Onshape. And you can go laser cut that. Enjoy. Bye.